gloomy day. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you read by the title, it is going to be a day in the life of Sunshine Fun. So as you guys seen, I did my morning routine. I would usually do a Bible study, but instead I just worship. It was very much so needed. But now I'm about to walk to the coffee shop and plan out my day. And yeah, let's go. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it is so cold outside. The weather app said that it was gonna be sunny today, and it's gloomy. The sun is definitely gonna come out later. It's windy and gloomy and cold. Today's gonna be a very great day. On my way to class. I'm gonna come back to the coffee shop after class is over, just so I can get my video posted. It was the Valentine's video. We'll get to a day in the life. I'm so excited to record today. So like I said, I have class at 9:30. Another class at 2. In between my free time, I'm gonna come back to the coffee shop and get some more work done after class. I have Squad on the Quad, Family Navigators is hosting a Bible study on the quad. You gotta bring your blinky. I hope that the sun comes out because I don't like gloomy days. Yesterday it was raining all day. I really love like sunny days. I hate when it's gloomy. It just makes me want to stay in bed all day. You feel me? Super excited for today. I'm about to listen to my music and I'm about to enjoy the rest of my walk. It is currently 9:13, so we have a great time. So yeah, class is over. We learned how to edit on Adobe Premiere Pro, so that should be interesting to learn how to edit on that platform. I currently use the editing software. It's called Vilo. It's not really a professional platform. We are required to learn Adobe Premiere Pro because, you know, it's just a skill to have. Anyways, right now I'm off to the architect building to get some things that I misplaced. Just picked up my lost and found items, girl. Why did I leave my credit card and my student ID? My student ID, who cares? But my credit card, like seriously, very irresponsible. I don't even know how it slipped out my bag. Like, I don't know. Anyways, it's about 11 o'clock. Let's get to editing.
Where can I go from your presence? Where can I run from your spirit? Even in the depths of hell, you will find me. Where do I run from your power? How can your hand not?
We're almost there, but I'm stuck in between if I should go to Foxtel. If you live in Cali, Foxtel has more of a better food variety and their coffee is way much more better than Lucky Goat. So I'll probably go to Foxtel. I overall like the ambience of Foxtel, so I'm probably go to Foxtel. It's a bit farther than Lucky Goat, but it's not that much of a far walk. So yeah, girly. While I'm at the coffee shop, I'm going to get my thumbnail done. And then I'm also going to start editing this video so I can post it tomorrow. I'm feeling a bit weak right now just because I didn't eat breakfast and I don't have my Stanley with me, so I'm a bit dehydrated. So I'm gonna get some water and probably get me a small bite or something from Foxtel. The sun is coming out, so that's a plus. Whew, but girl, I'm kind of out of breath. But it's okay, because I'm gonna get me some energy. I'm probably not gonna get a coffee because I need to save money. And if I'm being honest, this whole month I've been very irresponsible with my money. So we ain't gonna get no coffee. I'm not really a coffee girl, but like, since I do wake up early now, like I be so tired throughout my day and I be just needing some energy to pick me up. But this sun is coming out, so I'm happy.
Place that raised me, and if it's okay, I'll just say that
of my beautiful people. It is currently 2 something. Class, I guess, was canceled. So I'm about to go edit some articles and finish up editing.
Purify my dreams as I cover my face so they can see your face in me. Father, teach me how to fall in love with simple things. Surely I will give you glory for eternity. You are all I need. Once upon a time, the mustard tree was just a seed. Grow my faith, oh Lord, and show me what is heaven.
Workday almost finished. I have to see the sunset because the sunset is so beautiful, just like you.
I don't wanna be far from you. You're the air I breathe, you're the air I breathe. Help me abide.
I literally forgot that I was supposed to be vlogging, y'all. Like the second half of my day, I definitely forgot that I was supposed to be vlogging. So let's catch you guys up. So after work study, we hosted a Bible study on a quad. So we basically did Bible study outside in nature. It was such a beautiful experience. And after that, went back to J school to publish some articles. I did not record that, but yeah, because I forgot to record. And after that, I went to my sister's meeting to wait for her, so we could go home. Today was a good day. It was a good day. It was a good day, and it was a good day. This is what I do mostly on a daily basis every day. I didn't record myself in J school, but I spent most of my time on campus in J school, on the second floor. During my time there, I just mostly edit articles and edit my videos. I want to start to learn how to edit on professional platforms, so when I do get accepted into my internships, that I know how to work different platforms, because it's kind of embarrassing not knowing how to operate certain platforms and softwares. As a journalism student, you have to be knowledgeable and skilled in all areas, whether that's like writing scripts or like reporting, voiceovers, and just overall putting videos together to tell the best story possible without any distractions or just all of the different things that makes a bad news package, which is bad audio, a bad storyline and angle, blurry footage. Today was a great day. So just to give a recap, I woke up at 5 a.m, worked out, did Bible study, walked to campus to attend my first class at 9:30. After that, went to the coffee shop from 10 to like 1 and got some work done. I posted my Valentine's Day video, so definitely check that video out. And then after that, I had class at 2, which was canceled. So what did I do in the meantime? What did I do in the meantime? I don't remember what I did in the meantime. I think I just published and edited an article in the meantime. And then I had work study, and I did nothing at work study. I wasn't planning to do no work at all. In fact, I ate my food because I didn't eat all day. I don't think I ate breakfast. I didn't. You see, I be forgetting to eat. I just have so much stuff that I like to accomplish, especially when it comes to like Journey magazine and just like getting articles out. I am the assistant copy desk chief, so I am tasked with helping editing articles and publishing articles. I'm tasked with just updating our pitch line and just making sure everything gets organized and keeping the flow of articles. That's, we have to publish content, so that's I'm very passionate about that. I spend a lot of time in that office just editing and publishing, and I love to work on their computers just because it has everything that we need. And so yeah, I'm very passionate about storytelling. I'm passionate about article writing, magazine writing. I'm passionate about PR. I'm passionate about a lot of things. And so I think my biggest focus this year is just becoming a master at what I'm most passionate about, and letting that skill, and letting that skill pour into the different areas that I'm passionate about, if that makes any sense. In my opinion, public relations, graphic design, and broadcast journalism, communications, marketing, we all have one angle, and that's just to tell the most best story possible, whether it's through our graphics or through our news packages or through news articles and magazine writing articles, blah blah blah, all of the good things, through social media campaigns, community outreach, just getting everybody involved on a specific idea or topic, and I don't know, just telling the best stories possible that we can. And so during my days, I have moments where I'm just like, I'm not doing enough. Like, I'm literally doing nothing at all. There's so much more that I could be doing. But then I have to tell myself, like, you've come this far. Freaking bask in that. It's very easy to compare yourself as a journalist, as a content creator, whatever it is that you want to do. It's so easy to compare yourself. But I think the biggest thing is just knowing who you are and what you can bring to this world, and just embracing that, right? You don't have to be like the next person in order to be successful. You don't have to be like your favorite influencer or your favorite celebrity, your favorite role model to be exactly like them. Like, God made us and he created us and he made us in his image and in his likeness. Like, we are all unique and different. With that, learning to embrace that, and just learning to be the best hard worker that we could be. I think it's in Colossians 3:23. It says, whatever that you do, work at it with all of your heart, for you know that working for the Lord, you will receive an inheritance from the Lord. And so with that, whatever you do, work at it with all of your heart. Give it your heart. Give it your freaking all. You only have one chance, right? So every day, get better, and figure out different ways to be innovative, and just embrace who you are. And so, yeah, that was my TED Talk. I'm kind of just feeling like I need to do more. I need to do more, and I need to do more. It's so much. I feel like I'm in this walk alone, if that make any sense, in the sense of like what I want to do professionally. I feel like I'm alone. I don't really have no mentors or just people to talk to about, you know, the different steps that I should take, you know. With that, it just makes me feel unqualified, because like I feel like I'm doing everything alone by myself. I don't really have the resources or like the mentorship or just sponsorships to be able to pour into me. So I feel like I'm just doing everything on my own. I'm doing my best but I can, and I'm just reaching out to my professors and just, I don't know, just gaining a sense of peace or gaining a sense of comfort. I believe that life is so much better with community. Life is so much better with someone in your ear just encouraging you, right? Like, I never knew that I wanted to be in this major. I never knew what I wanted to do outside of high school or outside of basketball. So the fact that God has given me a new passion, it's just so mind-blowing, because it's like, I don't know where this is going to take me. I do know that if I work hard and if I reach out, that I'm going to be okay, right? I'm going to be okay, and I'm going to be okay. I can talk your behind off. I really hope that you guys enjoyed spending the day with me. I have a lot of things on my mind, and so if you want to know more about me and what I do on a daily basis, definitely keep on watching, y'all. I really desire a camera. I don't like the footage. I don't like this video. I feel like with a camera, it's just so much more better quality, and it makes you actually want to sit down and watch because of the quality of your content. Like, I don't know. I feel like just having a camera, it just really makes my content so much better. But I'm still going to edit it and post it, and I hope that you guys truly enjoy it. And if you guys want more day in the life, definitely let me know, and I can continue to create and actually remember to vlog throughout my day, because like I said, I do get busy and I forget. But I thank you guys so much for just stopping by and being here. I love you, God loves you, and we're going to see you in our next video.
Keep my eyes on you, seek you like I'm supposed to do. Your love is easy like it's 1 + 2. No more burdens, cause I trust